this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Windows 11 screen goes black after logging in. So if you're logging out of your computer and then you're trying to sign back in and the screen goes black, then there's actually a couple of things you can do to go and fix this issue. Now, the first solution is just to head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select Windows Update, and then just press Check for updates. Now, if there are any pending updates on your computer, then you'll need to go and install these now. The next thing we're going to do is head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run as administrator. In this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. Now you'll need to wait for this scan to go and get to 100%. Now this takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so you'll just need to leave your computer on while this scan takes place. Once it's finished, if any damaged files are detected on your computer, it will automatically go and repair them, and then you can try and see if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, another solution you can try is pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard and bringing up the Task Manager window. So if your screen goes black and you can't see anything, if you can get over to the Task Manager window like this, if you click on Run New Task, and then in this box just type in Explorer, and then go and hit Enter, that will automatically go and solve that black screen. Now, if it's still not working, the last solution is to head over to your Start menu and search for Services, and click on the Services window. From this window, you need to select App Readiness and double click on this, and then we're going to change the startup type from manual to disabled, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can then restart your computer, and that should have now solved any black screen issues. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.